Hello and welcome to our demo about the combi wiper. This is an excellent tool for cleaning your windows and it comes in two sizes. This is the 16 centimeter size and that comes with the fibre that just clips on it, and then it will have the blade that will also work on it. If you have a look there. So that is if you have smaller windows that you might like to clean, or some people use that also inside for things like glass panelled doors. So that's an excellent size, that's 16 centimetres. And then also it comes as a 28 centimetre. You'll see that actually the tool is exactly the same. All that happens is you get extension pairs that go on the end. So some people buy the 28 centimetre and then they just buy the smaller fibre and the smaller channel for those other smaller bits of windows that they have. You can see that the blade just goes in there. There are two arrows on the top and you want to align those. You know that that then is perfectly in the middle. And there you go. And then we're just going to pop the fibre again on that one there. And then in the zone pack also comes my Enjo fill. It's thicker than the living Enjo fill. It's more absorbent because we have more water on our windows. So let's go and see it in action.